Students, I hope you understood well those concepts which we discussed in last video of chapter determinants. Now we are going to use those concepts in solving problems given in your NCERT book. That is, we will start from example 1. So here we have to evaluate this determinant. So solution, we have 2 minus 1, 4, 2. We know already that determinant of 2 by 2 condition is always equal to cross multiply and then minus in between. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 into 4, it will give you minus 4. So that is 4 plus 4, that is equals to 8. So this way we will find out determinant of 2 by 2 form. Now another question is here. It is also a 2 by 2 form. Same way we will proceed, but यहाँ पर थोड़ा confuse करने के लिए आपको algebraic terms that mean x दिया हुआ है, but it is not difficult. Same way we will proceed. We have mod x minus 1 x plus 1x given, that is equal to, again cross multiply, x into x square minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. So I will use identity a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So I will open bracket, it will give me plus 1, that is equals to 1 answer. So this is very easy. We can directly solve problem of 2 by 2 by cross multiplying. Now here comes problem of 3 by 3 form. So we already knows how to solve 3 by 3 form. See here, solution. We have 1 minus 1 4 2 3 1 4 0 0. We know this is the sign of determinant. As we write determinant of A matrix or like this, it is also a sign of delta. That means it represents determinant. So here how we open it? First we pick up this element 1, then after deleting first row and first column we take up these 4 elements 3 0 1 0 and minus sign 2. This will be deleted with first row, minus 1 4 0 0, then last plus 4 minus 1 4 3 1. Now we will open it 1 into cross multiply as earlier, 0 minus 0 minus 2 0 minus 0 plus 4 minus 1 into 12, that means minus 12. 1 into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 4 into minus 13. 0 minus 0 minus 52, that is equal to minus 52. Now let's start example 4. Now here it is also a form of 3 by 3. So I will write here complete language so that you should not have any problem in writing in your copies also. So expanding along R1, जैसे हमने पीछे किया था example 3 में, we expand along R1 in that question also. यहाँ पर भी हम लोग वही करेंगे, बट हमें मेंशन भी करना होता है. So on expanding along R1 we have, that means हम इस रो के along ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, यानी हम इसके एलिमेंट्स लेंगे, यानी a11 a12 और a13. So we have, we know first we take up this element 0, then determinant, we drop this row and column. So 0 minus sin beta 0, then next one with minus sign sin alpha, and in modulus we have minus sin alpha cos alpha sin beta 0, the last one is minus cos alpha already. So minus sin alpha cos alpha 0 minus sin beta. Now I know how to operate. 0 plus sin square beta minus sin alpha into 0 with minus sign cos alpha sin beta minus cos alpha, this into this, plus sin alpha sin beta minus 0. It will give me 0 after multiplication. It will give me plus sin alpha cos alpha sin beta minus sin alpha cos alpha sin beta. So after multiplication, I got this statement. I can see directly that these two terms are same but with opposite sign, so I can cancel them. So 0 is the answer of this form. Now come to example 5. Here you have to find value of x for which two determinants are equal and both are determinants of order 2 by 2. So we will directly find out by previous knowledge that we know determinant means cross multiplication and then negative sign. We will open like this. So we should write language also. It will otherwise it will create problem for you. So we already have determinant form in equal condition. Now I will write this implies. So I know cross multiplication 3 minus x square is equal to 3 minus 8. अब देखिए, there is an important thing to note down. जनरली क्या होता है अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, स्टूडेंट गेट्स कंफ्यूज. जैसे हम मैट्रिसेस में पढ़ते थे, वेन एवर टू मैट्रिसेस आर इक्वल देन देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंट्रीज आर इक्वल. तो उसमें क्या होता था, डायरेक्ट एक्स के सामने 2 है देन एक्स इज 2. अब देखिए यहाँ एक्स के सामने 4 हो रहा है, यहाँ पर वैल्यू वेरी क्यों कर रही है, क्योंकि ये मैट्रिक्स का क्वेश्चन नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर आप चीज़ ध्यान देंगे, यहाँ साइन डिटर्मिनेंट का है. सो इन केस वेन एवर डिटर्मिनेंट्स आर इक्वल सो वी विल ओपन लाइक दिस. हम डायरेक्ट नहीं करेंगे जैसे हम मैट्रिसेस में करते थे. So there is a important thing to note down here. So do it carefully whenever you will do. So let's solve it. 3 will be cancelled, minus sign will be cancelled. So we have x square is equal to 8. This implies x is equals to plus minus 2 root 2. So this way we will find out unknown value of x with the help of determinant. This question is important for 1 mark. Generally it comes in your examination. So be careful with the sign. Modulus means determinant. अगर determinant आता है then you will do like this. If you have this question in matrix form, that means यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए, बस bracket होने चाहिए, तो ये matrix बन जाती है. तो वहाँ पर आप direct equality of matrices को use करके answer निकालेंगे. So we have completed all 5 examples given in your NCERT book related to chapter determinants. That is exercise. It is 3.1. It is not 3, it is chapter 4.1. So you might have problems in exercise question of exercise 4.1. So I will also make videos of some important questions from them. Till then you revise from these and try questions of NCERT exercise. Thank you.